Okay, we're at Harold Warp's Pioneer Village. And here's the trucks. I'm seeing these for the first time. Wow, look at these. I like the lights on that one. And the grill, look at that, it's a Chevy. There's a Ford Chevy, and what is this one? It's a Chevy. I need a truck like this. Is that a Ford? Gotta be a model Ford. Chevy offers 2 1.5-ton trucks of unusual value. And there's a Diamond T. That's a big one. How did they get? We're upstairs. How did they get these up here? Oh, that's an old Ford. Harold Warp's farm. There's another Ford. I like that one. I like the window, the mirrors. Yeah. It's cute. This is crazy. It's a Dodge. Wait, what is this one? That's a Chevy too. Yeah, it doesn't have a bed. What's that one? Oh. That's an International. Oh, look at all these. They've got a lot of lawnmowers too. There's a Speed Wagon. Cool is that? I need a Speed Wagon. That's a Chevy again. Look at the side mirrors. And their tires. Well, there's some wear on that tire. Oh, look at the window covers. Is that a Model? I keep wanting to say Model T4. The highway truck, 1924. Okay, here's cool. The Goodyear tires. What is this one? I like this one. See how low that seat sits? That's a Ford. I wonder what year that one is. It's got the skinny tires. Now that one's interesting. I think the farther down I go, the older they get. Because that one was on the highway one. And this one, Samson. I've never heard of a Samson truck. And look at that yellow one. That's cool. At least it's got doors. Oh, look, and the sides fold down. That's cool. That's a NASH. I have heard of NASH, but that's all. That's all I know is the word NASH. Oh, wow. Look at that one over there. That one's a big one. Oh, that's an International there. Oh, so there's a Crank. And there's the lights, like the Model Ts or the Fords have that I saw earlier today. But this big one's looks like there's those lights again. 1908. That's really cool. What's it say? Randolph Power Wagon, first GMC truck. Well, there it is. A little lap blanket. And then this one. It's an International 1907 Auto Wagon. So yeah, it is going. Guess it's the earliest truck that we have up here. Look at this yellow one from this side. Isn't that kind of weird looking? Well, they're all weird looking compared to the cars we have today, but it's really awesome. Is that a lawnmower? Look at that. Yeah. We have it too easy in 2021. That looks like something somebody made. I mean, obviously somebody made it, but handmade. Like a redneck made. Now what are these things? Mont mower. Huh. I guess they're probably things that go on the mowers. Okay, well that's our truck video.